Like, share and subscribe to Get Curried, and for updates on recipes, press the bell icon. Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. I traveled to Amritsar a few weeks back and I had an amazing, unique dish at one of the dhabas. It's called the chole chicken. Can you imagine chole and chicken served together? I know it sounds a bit absurd, but trust me, it was tasting fantastic. My friends freaked on it and I managed to get the recipe, which I'm going to share with you guys. So let's make the chole chicken. I'm going to heat 5 tablespoons of butter. And once the butter is hot, I'm going to fry 3/4 kg of chicken. I'm going to fry this chicken on a high flame for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes we fried the chicken. The chicken is turned slightly white. Let's remove this in a bowl. Now in the same kadhai, I'm going to heat 5 tablespoons of ghee. And once the ghee melts, I'm going to fry 5 sliced onions till they have turned nice and brown. The ghee is nice and hot. Let's fry the onions. The onions have turned brown. I'm going to add 1 inch of ginger that I have finely chopped, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic that I have finely chopped, and I'm going to fry this till the raw smell goes away. I'm going to add chili powder, about 2 tablespoons. I like my chicken to be spicy. Just saute this for a few seconds. I'm going to add a cup of tomato puree. So basically I took 2 tomatoes and just ground it to a paste. I'm going to fry this for 3 to 4 minutes. The tomatoes also have been sauteed for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to add 6 green cardamoms, the chicken that we had fried, and I'm going to fry this for another 3 to 4 minutes. So for the chole, I soaked a cup of chole overnight, and then in the morning I pressure cooked it with a tablespoon of tea and cinnamon, cloves and pepper. I made it into a potli, basically pressure cooked it, add a little salt, and that's about it. And here these are ready to go in now with the chicken. I'm going to add a tablespoon of anardana as well to this. Finally, I'll add 2 cups of water, some salt, I'm going to mix this well and cover it and cook it for 15 minutes till the chicken is done. It's been 15 minutes. We had kept the chicken to cook. I'm sure it is ready. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder to this. Lots of finely chopped fresh coriander. Mix this well. Isn't the dish looking really unique and delicious? The meat has left the bone as well, so the chicken is cooked. Now let's get it in a serving bowl. You can serve this chicken with a nice crisp paratha and some cold boondi ka raita. So do try this dish and let me know. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.